welcome to Stirling Engines. I discovered that the cold side was being warmed by the alcohol lamp, so I just made a shield with aluminum foil and it helps, and I found that output is a little more than nominal output can be closer to 1/4 of a watt. Right now it's just spinning up measuring volts. It will reach 3 volts in this configuration. That becomes about 2.1 volts when measuring amperage. But that gets me to the 1/4 watt mark, which is kind of nice. I'm on the floor and I have a little draft. But I'm right at the 3 volt mark. And if this is given enough time, it will climb up to 0.12, or close to that. So that's my update for the day. Well, you're going to take my word for it. I did it just a few minutes ago. I had wattage of 0.252. Have a day.